Good morning. Over the last year, the food retail market worldwide has seen a dramatic acceleration of channel shift from traditional bricks and mortar retailing to online grocery shopping. All the evidence so far is that many of the millions of customers who have tried online grocery shopping during the pandemic have liked the experience so much that they won't be going back to the old ways of in-store shopping. Our partners want to capture this momentum and grow faster in the online space, and we want to help them to achieve these goals. With this in mind, speed is critical, the combination of speed to market and speed to ramp. The Ocado Smart Platform offers our partners the opportunity to bring a scaled online grocery service to their customers quickly and profitably. OSP is the opposite of a one-size-fits-all solution. It is a very flexible ecosystem that allows partners to configure models of capacity in any way they want, according to their strategic or tactical needs. This can be done through in-store fulfillment using our enhanced store pick software, as well as through a range of micro, mini, and standard-sized CFCs to accommodate customer demand for an immediacy offering, as well as the big basket. OSP partners have been enthusiastically embracing the flexibility of OSP over the period. A good example is Ocado Retail in the UK, for whom we opened the first mini CFC in Bristol in February of this year. In terms of speed to market, we've gone from announcing the site to go live in just over a year. We have never gone live so quickly. In terms of speed to ramp, we don't need to be cautious about the technology. We know it works. It is battle hardened. This means that following initial opening in Bristol, we have been able to ramp up faster than ever before, and we expect future CFCs to ramp up even faster than Bristol has done. Our technology has been tested in the field, and we have already shown in Erith that we can ramp to a capacity beyond that any partner will ever want in one site. Our capabilities are helping support Ocado Retail's strong growth in the UK. With new standard-sized CFCs set to open in Andover and Purfleet later this year, another mini CFC in Bicester in 2022, and CFCs 8 and 9 to follow, we are providing an accelerating and transformative program of capacity growth. The ability to open capacity quickly and to ramp it quickly is important, but speed to market is not so attractive if the growth is not profitable. The good news is that we have a proven, profitable model validated over 20 years in the UK market. In addition, we are quickly deploying our learnings internationally, a win-win situation whereby we help our partners make the most of their investments while improving our margins. Practical examples of the changes we've made to the way we build our CFCs include bi-directional grid build and implementing a new method of aligning the grid build and the build of peripherals, which decouples the two tasks and enables us to go faster. While these changes may sound very technical, they significantly improve our speed to go live. To conclude, we increasingly recognize that speed to market is a very important part of our partners' plans, and there is therefore a huge focus at Ocado to go faster. Ocado can enable our partners to bring to market a profitable, scaled model for online grocery in the most flexible way and faster than the competition. In this sense, we are very well positioned to help our partners take advantage of the surge in demand for online grocery that we see today. Thank you.